Vanessa Wewoli Tibambia. I'm in cohort 6 and I'm studying Bachelor of Science in Business Administration Marketing. From Monday to today, I have been learning macrame. It's a skill that you can use to create different artifacts for decoration and fashion accessories. I've learned that I can use PP cord for macrame. I can also use cotton yarn or plastic yarn for macrame. So far, I've used the PP cord to design a bag and also a wall hanger. I've also used the PP cord to create fashion accessories like rings, bracelets, and also earrings. Since I have acquired this skill, I will go back and gather some of the young ladies, especially single mothers in my community, and I will train them how to use these various cords to create artifacts that they can sell wherever they are and make profits for a living. Coming to KNUST, I can say I came empty but ready, and I've been able to acquire a lot of entrepreneurial skills. I've also built a lot of important and beautiful networks, and I've acquired a lot of knowledge. It's all because Mastercard created this platform for me. Thank you so much, Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at KNUST.
My name is Dr. Millicent Mate. I'm a lecturer at the Department of Indigenous Arts and Technology in KNUST. At the moment, I'm in charge of the macrame weaving section. On Monday, when they came, we had to do an introductory class for them. That was mostly the theory class. We give them the basics of what they have to do. Everybody here has a plant hanger and a bag of your choice. So that is what we have made so far. I've been working with Mastercard for a long time. I can say for the past 6 years. I would give them a kudos because they are giving them skills. And at the end of the training session, every student has a skill. I would appreciate what Mastercard Foundation is doing for the scholars. I think Mastercard is doing great.